Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by iron ore miner and mineral explorer Venture Minerals, ASX code VMS. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Venture Minerals, Andrew Radonjic. Hi Andrew.
How are you, Matt?
Venture Minerals has just achieved steady state production at its brand new Riley iron ore mine in Tasmania, and its Mount Lindsay project next door already boasts probably one of the world's largest undeveloped tin deposits and a globally significant tungsten resource. The company's nickel copper platinum JV in the southwest of WA with market darling Chalice Mining has also been throwing up some pulse quickening electromagnetic conductors that look a little similar to Chalice's spectacular Julimar discovery. Andrew, just how big is the resource at your Riley iron ore project? What sort of grades is it showing, and how many years do you see it lasting for at this point?
Yeah, Matt, we've got 1.6 million tonnes there at 57% iron, which we're looking to mine sort of within 18 months to 2 years.
What did your 2019 pre-feasibility study predict that you would make a year out of Riley, or perhaps all told, and how accurate are those predictions looking now in the current iron ore price environment?
Well, look, back then we were making around $30 million, and certainly the price has certainly gone up a lot since then, but caveat that would obviously different exchange rates and cost of shipping.
So what did you model it at originally, and what is the iron ore price at today?
It's $90 US, today at around about $150.
And so when you did that modelling at 90, did you have a net present value for the project?
Yeah, we had an NPV of around about 27 million.
Okay, so just moving on to your tin and tungsten deposit at Mount Lindsay, also in Tasmania, how are you planning to fund that development? Just how big is that resource?
There's 80,000 tonnes of tin metal and 3.2 million tonnes of metric tonne units of tungsten. The idea is to mine Riley to help us fund the construction of an underground mine at Mount Lindsay.
For those people that don't understand tin and tungsten, I mean, where does that sit globally amongst your peers?
Well, tin's a relatively small market, but it's all about using it in solder, so it's in the EV metal space, and it's very much at current record prices, hovering around record prices.
Tell me about that. So what is tin trading at today, and what was it, say, 2-3 years ago?
Well, back in 2016, it was like 13,000 US a tonne, so it's gone up something like 150%. So today we're trading at around about $34,000 per tonne.
Makes it more expensive than copper, doesn't it?
Oh, about nearly 4 times more expensive. So nearly a precious metal.
Andrew Radonjic from Venture Minerals, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.